You're welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be looking into multiplication and division of integers with different signs. So earlier in the previous video, we talked about combination of signs. When you have two similar signs, plus times plus, plus divided by plus, minus times minus, minus divided by minus. And it could also be in form of minus into minus like this, or plus into plus like this. So in the previous video, you were told that once the signs are similar, they combine together to become positive. So in this video, we want to look into two different signs, how to combine two different signs. Let's say you have positive times negative, or you have positive divided by negative, or you have positive into negative. So here you are combining two different signs. So the second rule now of combination is that different signs combine together to become negative. So let's look into some examples. The first one is minus 5 times positive 3. So in this case, 5 is negative and 3 is positive. So, and they are both separated by sign of multiplication. That implies, or that means, we have to combine the signs. Okay, so negative and positive, they are different signs, and you know already that different signs combine together to become negative. Then you do 5 times 3, that will be negative 15. Okay, let's look into another one. You have plus 10 divided by negative 2. So here 10 is positive, 2 is negative. So we need to combine the signs by using division. Okay, so that division tells us that we need to combine the signs. So we know that we have two different signs, and we already know that different signs combine together to become negative. Then 10 divided by 2, that will be 5. Okay, that will be 5. So the answer is negative 5. Let's look into another example here. We have negative 2 divided by positive 10. So in this case, 2 is negative, 10 is positive. So the first thing we need to do is to combine the signs. Since the signs are different, then we know that they combine together to become negative. Different signs combine together to become negative. Now you need to be very careful here. 2 divided by 10 is never 5. Okay, so you need to be very careful. Okay, because 2 divided by 10 could be written as 2 out of 10. So 2 goes in 2 once, and 2 goes in 10 5 times. So the answer is 1 out of 5. Okay, and not 5. So you need to be very careful anytime you are dividing this. Okay, so this is how you combine different signs. Different signs combine together to become negative. Okay, so let's say you have something like this as well. Another example, you have minus 8 into brackets positive 2. Minus 8 into brackets positive 2. So in this case, how do you do this? Yes, the first thing is to what? Is to combine the signs, because earlier in this lesson I told you that anytime you have two different signs, one is inside the bracket and one is outside the bracket, or when two signs are separated by either multiplication or division, or when they are placed side by side. So that tells you that you have to combine the signs. So in this case now, so I have to combine negative and positive signs together. So you know that two different signs combine together to become negative. Then I'm going to have 8 multiplied by 2. That gives 16. So the final answer here will be negative 16. So let's look into the final example, and that will be the end of this video. So if you have minus 20 divided by positive 5. Okay, so in this case, you have to firstly combine the signs. You have negative sign here, you have positive sign here. Okay, so two different signs combine together to become negative. Then now you have to do 20 divided by 5, and that will give you 4. So our final answer is this. So this will be the end of this video. In the next video, we are going to look into interpretation of what? Multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition of integers.